Maro! Mr. Fusco. That's our funky friend right there, Mara. Look out, because he'll get you pregnant from up there.
The only word she came back wearing a smile, looking like someone that wanted to unplug it. No one here is on top. It's just turn around and we go. Oh, well let me go. Oh, 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 oh. Tick-tock, I want to rock you like the 80s.
Grazie Roma, grazie.